How do I know if the track reset performed successfully on my AirPods?
Hello and welcome to this handy guide. Today we're talking about a very common question among AirPod users. How do I know if the track reset performed successfully on my AirPods? Understanding this can help you troubleshoot connectivity or performance issues with your AirPods.
What does a track reset mean?
A track reset is essentially resetting your AirPods to their factory settings. This can help solve various issues like poor connectivity, low volume, or issues with the sound balance. Once the reset is performed, your AirPods should function as they did when they were new.
How to perform a track reset?
To perform a track reset, follow these steps. 1. First, put your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. 2. Next, wait around 30 seconds and then open the lid. 3. After that, on your iPhone, go to the home screen. 4. Open the Settings app and tap on Bluetooth. 5. Find your AirPods on the list and tap the eye icon next to them. 6. Then, tap on Forget this device and confirm your decision. Now, reset your AirPods. 1. With the lid open, press and hold the setup button located on the back of the case. 2. Keep holding the button until the status light starts flashing amber a few times and then finally flashes white.
How to confirm if the track reset was successful?
Now to answer the main question, how do you know if the reset was successful? The primary indication is the status light behavior. When the status light flashes white, it indicates that the reset was successful. In addition, after a successful reset, your AirPods will no longer be listed in the My Devices section in the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. You'll have to reconnect them like you did when you first bought them. In conclusion, the key to knowing if the track reset has been successful lies in the status light on the AirPods case and the disappearance of the AirPods from your device list. If the status light flashes white and your AirPods are no longer listed on your device, congratulations! Your reset was successful. I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time.